Plugs into car harness at radio. Power, 4-speaker. 16-pin connectors. For 1996 to 2002 Honda Passport vehicles. Allows for the installation of an aftermarket radio using the existing factory wiring and connectors. For 1995 plus Honda Passport and Isuzu Rodeo. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect to add an aftermarket radio to my Kioti tractor. Found out that Kioti uses an Isuzu, Honda plug for their radio wiring. When combined with a head unit I had sitting around, I was able to add a radio for a fraction of the cost of the factory radio.